In this video, we continue with the part 2 of the NTC past questions on literacy. Question 11. Each worker in the Kumasi and Tamale branches of the same company was to contribute an equal amount towards an orphanage fundraising. There were 30 and 50 workers respectively. If a total amount of 4,500 Ghana cedis was realized at the Kumasi branch, what was the total amount raised by the Tamale branch? Solution. Let's identify the key parameters in the question. So in this question, we have two branches. The first one is in Kumasi and the other one is in Tamale. Also, each worker is to contribute an equal amount towards the orphanage fundraising. There are 30 and 50 workers respectively. The first number of workers will correspond to the first branch and the second number of workers will correspond to the second branch, right? And so there are 30 workers in the Kumasi branch and also there are 50 workers in the Tamale branch. Also, from the question, we're being told that a total amount of 4,500 was realized at the Kumasi branch. So now let's find how much each person in the Kumasi branch paid. So the amount paid by each worker at the Kumasi branch will be equal to the amount realized divided by the number of workers. So the amount realized was 4,500 Ghana cedis, and the total number of workers at the Kumasi branch is giving us 30, right? So you're going to divide this guy by 30. So this 0 will cancel out this 0. So you're going to have 450 divided by 3. Thus we have 150. Thus each worker at the Kumasi branch paid 150 Ghana cedis. And since each worker is contributing the same amount, then the amount raised by the Tamale branch will be giving us, so here we have 50 workers at that branch, then multiplied by the amount paid by each worker. And so we are going to have 150 multiplying 50. So this is going to give us 7,500. Thus, the amount raised at that branch will be giving us 7,500 Ghana cedis. And so the correct option is option C. Question 12. Yakubu and Husseini bought food at a restaurant. Husseini's food costs Y Ghana cedis. If Yakubu's food costs 15 Ghana cedis less than Husseini's, which expression represents the cost of Yakubu's food? Solution. From the question, Husseini's food cost Y Ghana cedis. And so we are going to have this guy giving us Y. And we are being told that Yakubu's food costs 15 Ghana cedis less than that of Husseini's. So what this means is that Yakubu's food is 15 Ghana cedis less expensive than that of Husseini's. And so if Husseini's food is Y Ghana cedis, then since Yakubu's food is 15 cedis less than that, then the cost of Yakubu's food will be giving us Y minus 15. And so the correct option is option A. Question 13. Ofori has 860 eggs to put into a number of crates. If each crate contains 30 eggs, what is the maximum number of crates required to pack all the eggs? Solution. From the question, Ofori has a total of 860 eggs. And we are putting these eggs into crates that can contain 30 eggs each. So to find the maximum number of crates, we just have to divide 860 by 30, right? So when you divide 860 by 30, we're going to have 28.66667. So if you run this guy, you're going to have 28.7. And so the correct option is option C. Question 14. A florist has 48.5 meters of ribbon. If he is to cut it into smaller pieces of length 15 centimeters, how many of the pieces of ribbon can he get? Solution. From the question, we have a total length of the ribbon giving us 48.5 meters, and we have to cut it into pieces of 15 centimeters. The first thing to note from the question is that the units of measurements are different. And so the first step is to get the unit of measurement to be the same. So we can either convert meters into centimeters or centimeters to meters. So let's convert centimeters into meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, right? Then y will be equal to 15 centimeters. So now let's convert 15 centimeters into meters. So that's, we are going to divide 15 by 100. So when you divide 15 by 100, you are going to have 0.15 meters. In this case, we have all the measurements to be of the same units. We just have to divide 48.5 by 0.15, right? Because we are dividing the entire length of the ribbon, which is 48.5, into smaller pieces of 0.15 meters. So when you divide 48.5 by 0.15, we are going to have 323.333. And so the correct option is option B. Question 15. Owusu and Yao were to share 65 oranges, so that Owusu has 7 oranges less than Yao. What will be Yao's share? Solution. From the question, the total number of oranges is given as 65, and Owusu should have 7 oranges less than Yao. We can solve this question in several ways. So the approach we are going to use is this. We are going to subtract 7 from 65. So we have 65 minus 7, and this is going to give us 58. We have 58 oranges now. That is, we have taken out the 7 extra oranges Owusu is going to have. So let's share 58 oranges among Owusu and Yao. So we are going to have 58 divided by 2, and this is going to give us 29, right? And so Owusu is going to have 29 oranges, and Yao is going to have 29 oranges. But from the question, we are being told that Owusu has 7 oranges less than Yao. So what this means is that Yao has 7 oranges more than Owusu. So we are going to add the 7 that you subtracted to that of Yao's oranges. So you're going to have plus 7. And this is going to give us 36, right? Thus, Yao has 36 oranges. And so the correct option is option C. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.